Welcome back to Tradeprofx. Today is another amazing video. So in case you are a small account grower, like let's say you have 6 USD, like you can see on my screen, that's 6.47. So how do you do it? So you just go to the Tradeprofx and then go to the Rust bot, which is the Tradeprofx 11. So after you click that way, you now change the amount. You can see on the amount we have 1 USD, so you change it to around 0.35. Then your target profit should be something realistic like 1 USD. Then you start now growing it slowly by slowly. So we can try it by doing it practically. So we want to do 0.35 USD. Then we we put our target profit as 1, and then start the robot. Then immediately you start the robot, kindly do not forget to click that deep analysis, so it will bring you to this page. So you can see we have our trades running now currently, more than 5 wins. So you can see the progress is very swift. So in case then you reach the 1 USD, now you can exit. After you reach the 1 USD, you can first exit, then increase um, the target profit. After when you reach the target profit, you the first thing is first you target a small profit. I told you small gains on always. So you can see in case it loses, it will recover very fast, because we normally say nothing is 100%, but this is AI. You can see it has recovered. So 17 wins, more than 17 wins, 2 losses. So it's now analyzing, it's now doing its deep analysis. That's why you can see it's before it picks a trade. So after it picks a trade, it's done and it proceeds to the other trades. So almost at 1 USD, and for the first time we are on our take profit and our target profit, which was 1 USD, and we call it a day. That's, you can see it's also showing you the percentage. So we are almost at 1 USD, and then we call it a day first, and then no, we will reach at 2 USD, because I normally see most of the withdrawals only accepts 2 USD. I usually tell you Deriv requires risk management. If you have the best risk management, you have the best way to go. So 1 USD we are done. So what next? We now change our take profit to be 2 USD, and then you increase the stake now to, you have already gotten the 1 USD. So after the 1 USD, you put the 1.35 you are using. So 0.35, you add the 1 USD. That's how you do it. So you increase the stake to 1 USD, then you change the target profit to 2 USD, because you have already gotten the 1 USD. You see, when I run, when it is only at the 1 USD, the bot will automatically stop saying that it has reached the take profit. So what do? You change the actual target profit now to 2. So it will have reached take profit 2. So you change it to 2 and you proceed. So that's it. Let's see how it works, and then don't forget to click the deep analysis. So you can see the progress almost at 2 USD. In case it makes a loss, it will recover. That's why I'm telling you, risk management is better when you have a small account. And I've told you the best bot to use is that Tradeprofx 11. You can do your practicals and you tell me how you see it best. So this is the best thing you can ever get. That's the AI bot. So it's doing better analysis. 46 and 3 wins and 3 losses. So it means also when you are using a bigger capital, you will also experience the same. So in case it loses, it first does its best analysis and recovers. So you can see already at 3.08 and above. So we already hit our target 2.2 USD. So you can see the results. The results show very well that we are moving in a very good manner. So you can also decide to increase. So the moment you need to, the first thing you need to do in derivative trading, know the risk management. Know the best risk management tactics. Even if you have a small account, you will still grow it. So you can see now I am at 3.08. What do I have to do? I increase the stake, and then the target profit now I return it behind. So you can just refresh your page, and then when it opens like that, you will now go to the stake. After you return to the stake, you change the stake and the target profit. So that's the robots. You go to the Tradeprofx 11, and then you change the amount to now 2 USD, and then the take profit you change it to 1 now, because now the more you are going higher, you need to have the best risk management. I'll be showing you how to do risk management. You can also use the Deriv analysis tool, the normal Deriv platform. So you can see our first it's a loss and then a win. So you can see the progress, how it's moving. And in case you have a good balance, you must win. You will win very well. So we have already reached our take profit. We now refresh again, or we can add the take profit to 3. So you can see the progress. We had 6, now currently at 11. So you see, I'm doing it very simply. So the best thing now to understand is the risk management. How are you doing your stakes? How are you taking the take profits? That's the best thing you need to run, guys. That's the best thing. Even case also on the Deriv part, you need now to run that, because these digits are very random. They are very random and never get right to that. Digits are things that you can trade. In the case also with the strategy, you must engage and have some losses. That's why the AI also is having some losses, and then it's countering them very well. You can see it is showing us we have scooped that profit, and then we can proceed. Let's reach these to around 15. So we need some good capital, so from 6 to 15. So I just want to teach you how to do this risk management. So you see now, I'm targeting another 1 USD, and then I click the deep analysis, and it proceeds. So you can see now it's moving systematically very well. So that's our wins. So you can see, and I've told you this is found at tradeprofx.co.ke. So if you have not engaged yourself with the tradeprofx.co.ke, kindly go do practice, and then you can also run the risk management from there. Just try running on your demo accounts, and then try practicing how you can grow your account. You can see my risk management. So I'll now target to, so that I can reach 15. I will now go increasing the take profit very slowly. The more you go higher, you reduce the stake. You reduce the take profit, and then the stake remains the same. So at 4.85, you can see around the balance it's at 14 and above. So we need 15. So let's just target the last take profit to 5 USD. So let's see deep analysis, and that's it. Closer to 15, we are done. Kindly subscribe, share, and comment on the video. How do you see it? Bye bye.